Hello everyone, today I will show you how to chat on Roblox website, and here's how it is done. If you are on the Roblox website and want to chat with your friend, whether to figure out what game to play together or just to chat, it is super easy. First, go to the friend you'd like to chat with. You can either open your friends list and scroll until you find them, or simply search for the username in the search bar. Once you see their profile pop up, click on their username. From there, you have two options. If you're on their profile, click the chat button and the chat box will open. Or if you're on your homepage, click on the chat tab and select their username. Now, you'll see the chat window open. Here, you can send your message like saying, "How are you?" And your friend will be able to reply with a message like, "Hello." If you'd like to start a group chat, you can also add up to 5 friends. Just click Add Friends in the chat window. That is everything you need to know about how to chat on Roblox website. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.